Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sign up in Wells Fargo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wells Fargo app. So once you open your Wells Fargo app, you will end up in the home page of Wells Fargo, where all you need to do is simply tap on the enroll option. Once you tap on the enroll option, you will end up in this page where you have to do is simply type in your SSN or ITIN number. However, if you don't have one, then simply tap on the I don't have an SSN or ITN number. After you do so, you can simply type in your birth date, and once you're done typing in your birth date, you can simply type in your card, loan or account number. So once you are done filling both the credentials, all you gotta do is simply tap on the continue button. So once this is done, you can get signed up in your Wells Fargo account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.